In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another account in Zoho Mail. This process is straightforward and will allow you to manage multiple email accounts seamlessly from a single dashboard. Let's dive right in and transform your email management experience. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigate to Zoho Mail's homepage. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and you'll find yourself looking at the Zoho Mail interface. Once you're in and can see your inbox, shift your attention to the user-friendly settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner of your screen. A simple click on this will take you into the settings area, which acts as the control center for all your email preferences. Within the settings menu, you'll want to click on Mail Accounts. This section is the hub where all email account-related configurations are managed. Think of it as your mail collection area. Once you're inside the Mail Accounts page, look for the Add Account button. Clicking this button is your gateway to integrating another email account into Zoho Mail. Upon clicking Add Account, you're prompted to choose an external mail provider. Consider carefully and select the one that aligns with the email account you want to integrate. This step is crucial in ensuring proper connectivity between Zoho Mail and your external mail provider. After making your selection, type in the email address of the account you wish to add. Ensure you enter it accurately to avoid integration errors. Moving along, you'll be asked to input the account name. This is really for your own reference, helping you distinguish between multiple accounts at a glance. Once that's sorted, proceed to input the default From email address. This address will appear in the recipient's inbox whenever you send an email from this account. Next up is entering your password. Take care to enter it correctly, as this step enables Zoho Mail to access and retrieve your emails securely. Following your password entry, focus on setting up your outgoing server settings. The outgoing section is essential because it ensures that emails sent from your Zoho Mail account through this newly added email can be processed and delivered correctly. Pay attention here to ensure all server settings are input accurately. From here, navigate to the Authentication section. Authentication is a critical step that ensures secure communication between Zoho and your external email provider. This step often involves additional security protocols or verifications, further safeguarding your account. Finally, after entering all the required information and verifying each section, locate and click the Save button. This action solidifies all your settings and voila! Your new account is now active and accessible through Zoho Mail. Congratulations on successfully adding another account, and enjoy the streamlined email management interface that Zoho Mail offers.